Holy cow, I had some great success with my first Thredup mystery rescue boxes. I decided to purchase some more so that I can have inventory on deck. If you guys are new here, I'm Samantha and I go by Thrifty on a Dime on all my social media platforms. I resell things online. Excuse me. I resell things online, but I'm also a nurse. I'm a mom. So I share all kinds of positivity, motivation, as well as tips and tricks on how to make money online. So I didn't do a unboxing video of my first Thredup mystery boxes, which I wish I would have. They were actually really good. And I say really good, there wasn't any designer. I mean, there was a few in the shoe, but as far as the denim, there really wasn't a whole lot of designer. It was good still, but I did go share that on my TikTok. So if you are interested in seeing what I got in my first lots, be sure you go check me out on TikTok at Thrifty on a Dime. But today's boxing is going to be on some shoes. They restocked their shoes, and this time it was actually 15 pairs. So spoiler, I did open them because FedEx came a day late, and then not only a day late, they didn't come until like 5 yesterday, and I go pick up my girls around 3 and 3:30. So it just really didn't work out to do an unboxing video yesterday, as well as it was dark. But I'm going to get it done today, and I did check in here. I didn't go all the way to the bottom. I'm not sure if this one's going to be as good as the first one, so spoiler, it's probably not going to be a whole lot of great stuff. But this will give you an idea if you've been wanting to purchase a shoebox from Thredup. So again, I paid $80, and this one, I was not charged shipping, which was nice because the first one, when I bought the 10 pairs, I was charged shipping. So it wasn't just 60, it was like 69, a little shy of $69 for only 10 pairs. So this actually brought the cost of goods down per pair. But I worry with that they just threw a whole bunch of crap in here. So I want to go ahead and show you what's in this one. And if you haven't already, be sure you do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell. I've got actually 4 more boxes underneath this box that I'm going to be doing, as well as other things on my channel. So you'll learn a lot, I hope. Okay, so they pack it kind of nice, just like this. Oops. And then first look, it's just okay. Monroe, not sure on that one, but I guess they're in good condition. If anything, I will take what's in good condition that I'm not going to list online to my buy, sell, trade sale stores, which near me is Plato's Closet, Style Encore, and Once Upon a Child. Hopefully there's no kids in here, but sometimes you do. All right, this is just that brand. Not sure. I think it's just a department, but again, easy $3 to $5 at one of my buy, sell, trade sale stores. All right, these shoes, I have no idea. I don't see any markings on them. Maybe you guys know. Let me know in the comments below. Because of the condition, as long as I can find a size somewhere on there, they will take these as well. Which I believe my cost of goods was a little over $5. So hopefully I can find a few that I can list if they're all going to be like this. All right, these look pretty wore. I mean, I can clean them up. They are a Steve Madden, just like a wedge slip-on. I don't know if it's supposed to be that yellow color, or it kind of looks like it's supposed to be. So I'll just use a magic eraser maybe around the bottom. And I can probably list these for 15, 20 bucks. If I add Y2K to the style tags, that'll help it sell for sure. All right, these don't feel like they're real suede, but they do look like they're in really good condition. They just look like they're a Forever 21 brand maybe. And it only took me forever, but yes, they are a Forever 21. But honestly, as long as they're in really good condition, Style Encore would take these, and I will make more at Style Encore than I will at Plato's. And boots, I'll probably at least get $5 to $8 out of these, which is awesome. No matter the brand, even if they're not leather. All right, so I honestly thought they just put soles in here, like the soles of the shoe. But no, they're not. And they have a price tag of $215, and they're called Tess. But I honestly, again, do not know the brand. If you know, please let me know. It's going to be a little bit of a hard sell just because those look very uncomfortable. But being that they have the tag still on it, I might be able to get a few more dollars, maybe like 20, 30 bucks, but we'll see. All right, so these initially look like ones that I was going to take immediately to buy, sell, trade, sale store. And then I got them apart like, what? Did they really send me this? Yes, they really did. So yeah, these are just trash. I mean, there's no way anybody can ever wear those again. Like, the whole thing is cracked. My other shoebox, I did not have any casualties like that, but come on, hopefully there's some better ones in here. All right, these don't look bad. Ouch. They just kind of look weird. The bottoms look soft. They don't feel like real leather. Yeah, they're definitely not real leather. There is no markings for name brand, no nothing. So this is probably just a boutique booty, but thankfully, oh my God, I just whipped myself. Oh my God, I almost did it again. Yeah, it has a size, so at least I can take them to the store and hopefully they'll take them. But again, that style is kind of weird. I don't know, maybe they'll sell. All right, these are some very retro vintage via Spiga. I know the brand. I'm not really good at pronunciations of brands. But yeah, these aren't bad. They're super cute, like vintage pair of slip-on shoes. And as long as they're real leather, I mean, I definitely think I could probably get, yeah, they're real leather. So I can get 20 bucks, maybe 30 out of them for sure. And it's a really pretty, like, periwinkle purple or periwinkle blue. I don't know what you call it, but I don't like using colors in my listings because it makes it easier for someone to win a case, because we all see colors differently, regardless if you think you do or not. One thing may look green to me and it may look blue to you. So again, I just stray away from using colors in the brand. All right, so I looked on the inside, there's no brand, but on the bottom, it's Aldo. Yeah, these are decent, but the condition of them is pretty rough. So again, maybe I'll take the magic eraser, or I'll just take them directly to Plato's and Style and hope they take them because I don't want to do the extra work for just a couple of dollars. If I clean them up, I'll list them for about 20 bucks, probably accept an offer of 10 to 15. So again, nothing super amazing yet. Okay, these feel heavy as heck. I don't know about you, but I don't like to wear heavy stuff. But these are Colin Stewart. I believe that's a good brand. I've never really went out thrifting for this brand, so I'm not sure on comps. But again, the heel feels really heavy, and there's a couple scuffs on it, but not a ton. And the bottoms are in really good condition. It's a good size 9. So I think if I just put like an insert, these will sell pretty well. So there's a little bit of cleanup that I'll have to do, but other than that, they're on trend because this mustard yellow is definitely in, especially with gold. These ones feel like real leather, but they look really tiny. The brand is wore off of the bottom. They're cute. They're just small. I think they're like a size 5.5 maybe. That's probably why they passed on them at Thredup. But yeah, again, if anybody knows the brand that has a heart and it's all leather on the soles, please let me know. They aren't bad, but they look really rough, but I think they're made to look mostly like that, aside from like right here. Obviously, she has scuffed something. But I don't know what I'll do with those. I don't know the brand. All right, these ones are in really rough shape, but they're just Jessica Simpson. So again, this is not going to be fixable. So these will just have to be thrown away. I mean, it's not something you can really redonate when they are ruined and the strap and stuff is stretched out. So that's 2 casualties so far. All right, these are just this brand. Not a very high-end brand. Maybe I'll list these myself for $10 to $15, or I will just try to redonate or sell to Plato's and Style first. Plato's won't take them, I'm sure, but Style, Encore might, because it's a more women's store. All right, La Palo. Hopefully you can see that. Let me see. They're just sneaker wedges. I mean, they feel like real leather. I've never heard of the brand, but they feel really good. So again, a lot to do with the sneakers is just dry brushing the suede and then cleaning the bottoms. And these are really cute, honestly. I wish they were just a smidge bigger, but I can tell they are not my size. So I will list these for 20 to 30 unless running comps shows me more. So if you don't know what I mean by running comps, if you're new to reselling, running comps means checking the solds listing. So something that I do to speed up this process, if you don't know good keywords of the item you have, I would use Google Lens, which is an app that you can download. And all you have to do is take a picture of your item, insert it, and then it just shows you listings that are similar. And you may even find the exact match. And then I just kind of add those keywords to my title so that anybody who is searching for that can find it. And again, I can pull up sold listings from eBay, Poshmark, whatever site I'm going to list it on. And you're going to go by the solds and the most recent solds as far as what you're going to price your item. Because you don't want to price it like super high. And then somebody's like, well, I can get this for this price and it's the exact same size. So I'm going to go with them. So you want to be competitive so that your item sells faster for you. All right, sorry for the rant, but box is empty. Not super happy with this one, I'm not gonna lie. But stay tuned because I have more boxes to unbox and I can't wait to share them with you guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And as always, have an amazing day.